Hey guys, it's Comedy Shots Gamer here, and today I want to talk with you about how to make super good programming stuff, um, taught by a really bad programmer as myself. Um, so I now want to show you how we implemented the stuff in Stripe. And now I want to show you how to connect it with your render backend hosting service shit. And well, I did this in the function you have app post, create checkout session, and in the success URL, you are a success. I read out of the .nv file the backend URL. So in the .nv file, I declared an environment variable called backend URL, and in this there is my render application is stored in there, or the URL to my render application. And so when you successfully close a subscription, you can then get led to the render backend. But this way is not exactly correct. But let me just show you first. So we go into the console, we navigate to the server, to the node server. Then we hit npm start. And then I get led to the localhost URL. And then I select the $12 per month subscription model. Then you insert some kind of email and name, and you need to type in 42424242424242422. This was given in the README as an example, and some kind of numbers. It's just for testing purposes. And then you get led to render, but render has this cold start where it makes you wait like 5 minutes before its application will start. So we need to wait. But in the next videos, I want to connect everything so you can first normally deploy it on render, that it is accessible to everyone. And then we will need to find something better than render. It is really good for a start. It is really easy to implement, but you will never write an app as good that anyone will wait like 5 minutes for it to start. Oh, okay, maybe it's faster. So yeah, we just hit start, and you have like your YouTubers. Yeah. So I want to, for this tutorial, in your .nv file, you need to write this variable backend URL and put in your render URL. And if you want to access this render URL, then just ask, how can I access my render login? Or how can I log in into render dashboard UI? Or just go like render login. We're all set. So am I in render now? Okay, so then you are in render. And delete render account. No, we don't want to do this. We go here. Comment setting. Uh, so there's definitely more to do here. Appearance, avatar, profile. But I just want my shit. Login method. Look, go to web services. And then, yeah, just go to web services. And then it will show you. And what the fuck, where's my last project? Here. Yeah, and then you have your HTTP. And you can put it in the .env file, and then it will run. And as next, we want to implement everything in render. So let me just demonstrate you what I mean. So when you have a client and he wants to use your SAAS, he will write the name of your website in the browser, and it will send a request to the server. It will send the landing page where like the features are described. Maybe you have a free trial for like 2 or 3 minutes, and you have a button, click start subscription. So you can leave the page, whatever, and you can then use click start, or you can do a subscription, and the server will then create a checkout session with Stripe, and you will then have a subscription. And once you have a subscription or you're already subscribed, it will send you the real app HTML, and then you can use the